Hello everybody, I've got an Acer RUKO 5 pin here. Now I've had this lock for ages, but I've never picked it on camera. Off camera I can pick it pretty quick, but yeah, so basically I'm gonna try and pick this open. I've not got a key for it, but as you can see it's fully pinned up. You know, I don't want the trolls hating. I've had a lot of negative comments of the trolls. You know, obviously I practice on these locks before I pick it, so you know, sometimes it takes a lot of time and effort, but you know, it's all part of the fun. I'm gonna keep this turned towards me a bit, guys, because you know. Anyway, guys, I'm using a pry bar light. Yeah, I've got to make sure it's the right one. It's not the Sparrows one because they don't fit that good. Another thing, guys, two-way violator pick, ebony handle. So I'm going to start from pin 1 and go all the way pin 2. I got a little bit of a turn on pin 2. Got a nice false set going on a little bit. See, guys, what it is with these Acers, you don't get a massive false set with these RUKOs and Acers. When you get little turn on the core, like faint clicks. It took me absolutely ages before I picked my first Acer. Took me about a year before I learned. And this technique doesn't always work on all of them. It works on some it doesn't. Sometimes you need heavy tension on some of them. I've still got a few RUKOs what need picking. So I've got a nice little false set going on. Now I'm just going to put the hook part in and just check if everything's... See, as you can hear them clicks, everything's down. I'm going to release some tension and then I'm going to... There we go. So obviously I've had a lot of practice on this lock, but you know, that's why I got it picked open quick. It took me about 2-3 months, you know, when I first got this one. I've still got another one somewhere what needs picking, but instead of it being the goldish color here, is just a normal this color, the silver color on it. I think they're a bit of the newer ones. Anyway, guys, thank you very much, and you know, I'll see you on the next video. Been busy tonight making these challenge locks. Thank you, ucof, for pointing me towards getting which tap, the 3.5 tap for threading the cores. When I used to do it before, I had a 3.8, and that's why the holes went big and that. But this time it should be a bit better. Anyway, guys, thank you very much, and goodbye.